craziest places I've ever been. What about you, T?
This is so cool. This is my favorite room. Look at my scarf.
What up? What's the word? Beautiful Sunday out here in ABQ. It's going on noon right now. About to head to the gym. Go make this workout. Get back by 2 o'clock, I believe. And Tiara and I are going to be heading up to Santa Fe to go check out the Meow Wolf at 6. From 6 to 9. What's up, baby?
What's up, dude?
How you doing, playa?
Good, baby.
How are you? Good.
Woke up late, dude.
Did you?
I was like, shit.
What's that? No.
Look who's not on time.
About to start this workout. We did, what was it, hang snatch to 2 overheads. Now we're about to do this workout with teams of 2. Check it out.
Higher than I've ever been. I'm high.
Finish that workout now with my partner, Adam. Shit, boy. How'd you feel?
Tired.
My man Brian. Finished in 18 minutes and 30 seconds. Shit, baby. Good job. That was rough. Finished in 18:30. Really good workout, and that's burner. The worst part was the pull-ups. I struggled on those damn things all night. Not on the first sets, but like the last round of pull-ups here, right there. That's where I was struggling a little bit. I did 2 sets of 10 and then broke it up into 5s after that. It was nice to have Adam on my squad. Nice little push. Leaving Duke City CrossFit right now. It's going on 2 p.m. Really good workout. Had a lot of fun. My boy Adam helped push. So that was dope. Fun guy to work out with. It's windy outside. I'm gonna head home, get ready, take a shower. And then we're gonna head to Meow Wolf, Tiara and I, around 4 o'clock. The show starts from 6 to 9 tonight. And I hear you're allowed to take your camera in, so I'm gonna get as many shots as I can. Give you guys the full experience. Higher than I've ever been. I'm high. 2:10. Going to hit the shower, get ready before Tiara gets home, and then make way to Santa Fe. 45-minute drive or so, it's not that far.
4:41.
4:41. Making our way to Santa Fe to go check out Meow Wolf. Starts at 6. 45-minute drive. We'll be back by 10 something.
Right close to you. Tell me, baby. Tell me, can you feel it too? I'm high. I'm high.
Meow Wolf, take 2.
Yeah, Meow Wolf. We're here.
Finally, it only took us 24 hours. Yay.
I saw you.
And we're here right when they open.
Walking in the rain. Made it to Santa Fe, here at Meow Wolf. There's a big robot smelling a flower right behind me, right here. And then Meow Wolf Museum is over here. The House of Halloween is what we're gonna go check out. We have Tiara to my left.
Hello.
And then we have all this fun stuff over here. This coyote or wolf, and then this ice cream truck. Should be dope. How do you feel, T? You ready?
Yeah. It's like you're in another world.
Inside Meow Wolf, this place is freaking cool. It's hard to see behind me. It's blown out. Let me see if I can cover my face. What do you think so far?
This is so cool. I don't know what it is, but it's cool.
I don't know what it is either. This place is pretty sick. There's a bunch of different rooms with, what would you say, different dioramas?
Yeah.
Like different scenes.
There you go.
Excuse me, have you seen this man? His name is Lucius Selig.
Uh-oh.
Lucius Selig.
If you see him, please let one of us know.
Okay.
Don't believe anything that he has to say about the power of positive mechanics, all right?
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
That is creepy.
So I guess we're not supposed to know who believe this guy. What's We have these guys performing right behind us, this little monster band, I guess you call it. Right here. Fellas, Vincent? Thomas? John. Met them here at Meow Wolf. Appreciate you guys stopping by, man. You guys definitely put you in. Take care, have a good night. I know. We're an hour in, Tiara. What do you think?
This is awesome. It's a cool experience.
Yeah.
Virtual reality.
I don't feel like you can see everything within like
The 3 hours.
Good night.
There are a lot of people.
There's a lot of people.
I'm high. We can feel it too. Higher than I've ever been. I'm high. Whenever I am close to you, tell me, baby, tell me, can you feel it too?
That's a wrap.
Finished up. It's going on 7:30. I think an hour is enough. That place it's dope. A lot to see. I'm not sure if I understand the whole story, but it was really fun. You definitely have to check it out. It's a place you have to come more than once, I would say. What do you think, Tiara? Like perform more than once?
Yeah, you can check out the exhibit. This one was the theme Halloween, so.
Oh yeah, huh? Because we haven't come for the normal Meow Wolf. Ah, that's right. Overall, that was really fun. I highly recommend showing up. Super creative. I mean, all these different rooms, you feel like you go in one room, you feel like you've seen it all, but then another room pops up. I guess they start opening different scenes up. Yeah.
And then the actors too come out.
Yeah, it's sick. Love this place. I'll come back for the normal Meow Wolf display. This was the Halloween, Nights of Halloween one. Really awesome show though. I'm high.